Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a new TDS in the Fresa Global Application. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. After successful login, you will land on the home page. Now, navigate to the menu page. Once you click on it, the menu page will open. Then, type TDS/WHT Rate Master in the search bar and click Search. After clicking Search, select TDS/WHT Rate Master from the results. The TDS/WHT Master list page will open. On this page, click the Submit button to view recently created TDS/WHT entries. Next, click the Create button at the top right corner to add a new TDS. You will now be redirected to the Edit TDS/WHT page. Enter all required details like code, name, percentage, effective date, and payable account. Then click Save and Close. Once you save, you will be redirected back to the TDS/WHT Master List page. Here, you can see the newly created TDS under the Recent Entries section. And that's it. This is how you can create a new TDS in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.